ABC News 4 and Berkeley Electric Cooperative present Touchstone Energy Tips.
Dave Williams, Eddie McKnight are standing here talking about some energy tips that can save you money around your house. And Eddie, what are the ones we really want folks to hammer home?
Well, the number one thing you have to concentrate on is heating and air conditioning. That uses 50–60% of the energy in your home, and it's very important to check that out.
Be efficient and also make sure the house is sealed.
House should be sealed up around all openings, around receptacles, penetrations, windows and doors, plumbing, or whatever.
Now what about the insulation?
Insulation levels should be used as recommended. Lots of people don't have enough insulation. It's inexpensive and easy to install.
And plenty of tips online.
Absolutely. TogetherWeSave.com is a wonderful place to go, good resource, simple or detailed as you want it.
Helping save you money on your next energy bill.